I think now it's time for Dr. Ram to introduce ACAM India. Dr. Ram doesn't require introduction. He is a child psychiatrist trained in UK and prior to that in NIMHANS, and my dear friend and colleague in Kolkata. And he had set up a organization called Mental Health Foundation, which is very active in this part of the country. Over to you, Dr. Ram.
Thank you, Shomitra. Thank you, everyone. It's actually a privilege, really, to be a part of the inaugural program of ACAM India. Now, those of you who have been in touch with the field of child and adolescent mental health for any number of years would actually know a lot about ACAM, which is an organization which is about 60 years old. It publishes 3 very, very important journals, amongst which JCPP has one of the highest impact factors amongst child and adolescent mental health publications. And ACAM, which is a 60-year-old organization, has decided to branch out, and we are so grateful that India is a part of that reach out. Personally, for me, or for anyone who has trained in UK, ACAM has been an integral part of our training, and we were almost cajoled, coaxed to become members by our mentors, and which we became, and were privileged really to learn so much from the organization. See, primarily the beauty of ACAM, I feel that it really addresses the multidisciplinary approach which a child and adolescent mental health services should have, and the richness of experience, the richness of expertise, which is shared by the multidisciplinary professionals, including special educators, psychologists, psychiatrists, pediatrician, is brought to the forefront. And I personally feel that in India, we really have some fledgling organizations which have this similar kind of approach, but there is a great deal to learn from the experience of ACAM, primarily because they focus on enabling delivery of high quality service through research. And I think that is so much wanted in our country, that it can only be a good news that we are able to partner with ACAM and learn from each other's experience. Personally, what I'm actually looking forward to is to learn from the experts who are members of ACAM and learn the science and how we can enable a much more higher quality service delivery. So it is really a privilege, and I think it's only a start. And I would really want to thank the ACAM, the body, Martin, especially Gordana, because of their initiative, and Shomitra for having single-handedly, guided us through the whole process. So I'm hoping this is just the beginning, and we have many, useful years of learning ahead. With this, as you would all those of you have registered, please do keep in touch with our Facebook page, with our internet page, because there is an ACAM India hub. And if you Google ACAM or ACAM India, you will be guided to the page which has a lot of details on the publications, on the conferences, on the educational programs, which again, as I said, is meant for the multidisciplinary audience. So it's not only for any one specific group, but anyone who is interested in working with children and adolescents' mental health. So do look out for us and make us stronger.